There's something people don't understand about you. You choosing silence and assume you're distant, shy, or even antisocial. But what they don't realize is this: your need for silence isn't a weakness, it's a sign of depth. If you often feel most like yourself in quiet moments, it's not because you have less going on inside, it's because you have more. Psychology shows that people who crave silence tend to have a highly active inner world. Your mind is constantly processing, reflecting, connecting ideas, and understanding things on a deeper level. That's why too much noise can feel overwhelming. It's not empty inside your head, it's full. You're engaged internally in a way many people aren't, and that naturally pulls you toward calm environments where your thoughts can flow clearly. You also tend to process emotions more deeply. Research indicates that people who prefer quieter spaces often feel things more intensely, which means you need time and space to understand what you're feeling. When life gets loud or chaotic, it's not just tiring, it becomes emotionally heavy. So when you step away and seek silence, you're not avoiding anything, you're regulating yourself. This ability to pause, reflect, and reset is actually a sign of emotional intelligence. Along with that, you likely value meaning over noise. You're not drawn to constant small talk or surface-level interactions, not because you don't like people, but because you're looking for something real. You'd rather have one genuine conversation than many shallow ones. That's why loud environments can feel draining, they often lack the depth your mind naturally seeks. Another rare trait you carry is strong observation. When you're quiet, you notice things others miss: the tone in someone's voice, the way they react, the small shifts in behavior. Psychology suggests that people who spend more time in silence often develop sharper awareness. You're not just present, you're paying attention, and that gives you a deeper understanding of people and situations. And most importantly, you protect your mental energy. You instinctively know that too much stimulation drains you, so you choose silence to recharge. This isn't isolation, it's self-control. It's knowing when to step back so you can function better, think clearly, and stay balanced. So when you look at it differently, your need for silence isn't something to fix, it's something to respect. You think deeply, feel deeply, observe carefully.
And choose meaning over noise. These are not weaknesses, they are rare strengths. The next time someone questions why you're so quiet, you won't feel the need to explain, because you'll understand that there's nothing missing in you. There's something rare. And if this resonates with you, stay connected, because sometimes the traits you doubt the most are the ones that make you truly unique.